What's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. We appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune to the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, so yeah, let's go over today what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for. I know today is going to be a great day. Hold on, I'm going to tell the team members we're on live too as well. Give me a second here. All right, yeah, so we're on live. Yo, appreciate you all tuning back in. So, I will say, not a bad morning, not something bad to wake up to. Looks like our AEO, obviously, yes, I would love for us to stay up. That would be great. That's what I'm looking at. So, lotto play, this one wanted to do well for us. Obviously, can't get too excited, but yes, we did have this empty space that I saw on this weekly chart. Do want to see if we can potentially, stay up. So yeah, 1625 is my final target, which we did end up hitting. But yeah, I do want to go over pretty much everything else that I'm seeing that I saw, and yeah, let's go over it. All right, so yeah, hopefully, yeah, that stays up. We'll keep an eye out on that. I do want to go over the Qs. Walmart's also still valid, looking pretty decent. Do want to see if we can get that continuation. All right, so Tesla. Also, I do want to look at SOFI, all these other trades. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Welder Boy, what's up? BABA. Yep, cool. Gotcha, bro. We can do that. Yo, Queese, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. So yeah, today's going to be a great day. Especially if one of these plays can stay up, that would be great. Alright, so SO5, this is what I'm seeing here. We did have a nice little POTTERBOX break. Do want to see if we can potentially continue into this empty space. So, yes, we ended up breaking under our wall there. If we can continue, I do want to see that 2403, but we'll just have to see how that plays out. Alright, so now let's go over this. Let's go over the Qs. What I'm looking at, what I'm waiting for. Yo, Glock, thanks for sharing the live stream, bro. Really appreciate it. So yeah, as of right now, what I'm seeing here, let's go to a possible 1 hour chart and break this down. Okay. So I'll be honest, I see two possible outcomes here. And same thing, each day in our Discord, we have the same exact plays each and every day. I will be honest, there's a box here, so there's empty space under here and also above us. So I do like this upside. Obviously, you can easily see, yes, we do have this empty space here. Clear move down, no consolidation. This is what I would want to this upside. So we break above. I don't see any resistance to that, 574 area. Yo, Jose, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. And yeah, hopefully, if AEO stays up, yeah, I think it'll be a great day for sure. So yeah, this was like at the last 5 minutes too as well. We had this empty space here. We ended up filling that target. So if we end up staying above, I can't get too excited right now. So, but yeah, if we stay above, yeah, it'll definitely be a great day for sure. All right, so we'll go back to the Qs here. Yo, Thriving, what's up, Hope you have a blessed day as well. Thanks so much. Have I looked at SPY yet? Dude, yeah, I haven't looked at SPY at all. So, yeah, we'll go over that too. But yeah, AEO was, it was like one of the last minute trades in the Discord. So, I get it. Yes, still a lotto play for me. But, if it stays up, it'd definitely be a great payday for sure. So, you can see in the lotto plays, pretty much what we were looking for. This was the before. We were at this 1359 area. I did see that there was empty space left that we could continue to fill. Told the members AEO could finish this upside move. This was yesterday. You can see yesterday. Obviously, yes, we would have to stay up though. So I get it. We tapped my first and my final target, but I'll be excited once we can hit that final target. So or stay up for it. So yeah, looks good, looks good. All right, yeah. So I will be looking over that pretty much. Yo, Sam Baker, thanks for the follow. All right, so for the Qs, same thing. Empty space. How we ended up, or we're trying to end up catching this one if we can stay up, but if we can get above this top wall, get a nice candle body closing above this 571, we still have this empty space above us, which honestly looks good. Under us, so if we end up breaking under this wall, so I get it, this one would be definitely more of a lotto, but there is still a little bit of empty space that is under us. That doesn't look bad, so there is also that little gap there. So right now, yeah, I'm not gonna do anything. Obviously, there's this other box that I'm personally looking at, so where I have my alert pretty much set, there's also more empty space under us, so it really just depends. If it wants to go down and drop, I'll be ready. If it wants to go up and get that continuation, you know, I'll be ready with that too as well. So same thing, how we caught Tesla. I also had a nice call out on the Qs. Befores to afters. You can see what some of the members ended up doing just yesterday. We wait for our plays, we wait for our setups. You can see yesterday. You also see the day before that, what some of the members ended up doing on the plays, on the call outs. And yeah, if they work, cool. If they don't work, that's fine. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on the Qs. So we'll keep on going. Let's go to SPY now. So yeah, we'll keep an eye out on AEO if we can continue. That would be great. 1 second here. All right, so SPY, let's break it down. Obviously, yes, there is this little move that I'm waiting for. Pretty sure I did this on a 2 hour. So pretty much same thing, empty space there. Obviously, upside is going to be exactly the same. Yo, Sasha, what's up? What's up? What happened with the Qs in pre-market? Honestly, I don't know, but I do see that we created some empty space. We got a little gap there, so yeah, I'm prepared. Yeah, if we can get either side, yeah, I'll be waiting for that. All right, so for SPY, what I'm seeing here, man, hopefully we stay up. That would be great. We do have this, so top wall there, bottom wall here. As you can see, we end up getting a nice break above our top wall here. I will be looking for this next resistance up to this green candle. So yeah, right now, where are we at? Currently, we're inside of the consolidation. Sellers ended up taking control. Oh, hold on. Let's do this. One second. So yeah, sellers ended up taking control there. Do want to see if we can somehow, some way get above and go into this empty space. So that's what I'm seeing, which looks good. Downside, personally, yes, there is another box. So that also looks decent. So if we do end up getting this other little empty space move here, honestly looks really good. So yeah, right now, hold on. It looks like a whole bunch of nonsense, whole bunch of boxes piled up. But what I'm focusing on is this empty space here. So yeah, same thing how like we catch all of our plays. Empty space, how a few of the members just yesterday. Shout out to the lady, shout out to Fabi. You can see on those plays what she did there, what a couple other members did on those callouts. And yeah, we have the same plays each and every day. We don't change anything at all. You can see how we call out plays. I post them in my Discord. We wait for those entries once we can get them. And yeah, I tell the members what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for beginning of the day. And if we can get them, that's cool. You can also see, not him, but maybe I should delete that one, but you can see, yes, what another member ended up doing there. This was, what, just yesterday as well. So, not the dude laying in the bed, but this dude here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I do want to see if we can get a few of these entries. So that's what I'm seeing there. All right, so we did SPY. We got to go over. So yeah, we want to go over Tesla too. VABA. Okay, I do see snow as well. All right, so. Oh, okay. What I see here. Yeah, welder. I do see this as well. Let's see. One second. So yeah, what I'm looking at here. Yo, Nelly, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Really appreciate it tuning in. Yeah, this looks good to me. We do have the empty space that is under us. I can clearly see that we ended up gapping under this bottom wall here. So I do want to see if we can potentially get some sort of retest. Oh, that's not even a circle, but yes, some sort of retest at this bottom wall here that will potentially allow us into this empty space. So that's what I'm seeing, which looks good. We just have to see if we can potentially get there. So that is on VABA. Wow, AEO is crazy, and I caught this one live. So I gotta edit the video of the Discord and I getting into this trade. Obviously, yes, we would have to stay up, but you can see where we posted it inside the Lotto Plays tab channel. And yeah, I get it. Lotto, but still, those can be some great paydays. And you can see, posted this yesterday before close. AEO. And now we're at this 1684 area. So yeah, I post all the setups, all of my setups. You can see the testimonials, even the dude laying in the bed. Like, you see yesterday, one of the members, this is what he did there. So that's what I'm looking at. We don't change anything. I'm still gonna, look for those same exact plays. All right, so, yo, Fast Roddy, what's up, bro? Yeah, I can look at Starbucks. I do want to look at Tesla first, though. So yeah, we'll go over Tesla really quickly, since we haven't yet, and then yeah, we'll go over S-Books. Yo, that guy, thanks for the follow. All right, so this was a play from yesterday. So this was literally the same play that we had. So we had what, the empty space. We ended up breaking above, so you can literally see the befores. You see the before, also the aftermath there. So same thing there, but right now I will say that's irrelevant. Who cares? Let's get rid of this. Yesterday I joined the VIP with the gains from the free Discord. Yo, Thriving, good to see you. Thanks for tuning back in. So, and yeah, obviously, if you don't want to join the VIP, there's also the free chat. But yeah, looking forward to another great day, especially if we can stay up. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I may stream with my face today. We'll have to see. All right, so Tesla. Let's see here. Let's see. So let's go to a higher time frame, so maybe a 4 hour, and then we'll go to a possible. Okay, there's a move down here that I'm waiting for that looks good. So there's that empty space here. I don't think we'll be getting that today. Maybe we could, but we'll see. What I can also look at is, hold on, give me 1 second here. Let me look at a 45-minute, maybe a 30-minute chart. Okay. So, 45-minute, this is what I'm seeing. So, yeah. Little chart there. I get it, small move. Of course, this is still a nice little box. If we can break and close under this level, so yeah, we may end up missing this one due to pre-market. But yes, that's what I'm seeing there. This is on 45-minute chart. That's what I'm seeing there. What I like though, so I do like this 1 hour here. I get, yes, a little gap there that I can easily see. But I'm also looking at, so yes, if I don't like anything there, I do like this. So, and I get it, more of a long shot. We're nowhere near close to it quite yet. But you can see, yes, we do have this clear gap up. No consolidation. This is exactly what I would love to the downside. Let's see. So yeah, we do have a nice top all there, nice bottom all here. So yeah, we do have a nice area of consolidation that needs to be broken. If we can get that nice break under, I would love to see this empty space being filled down there. So under that 327. So yeah, we got what, $10 to go down first before I would take a real position on this one. Obviously that 45-minute also looks good too as well. Alright, so that is on Tesla. So yeah, that looks really good. So yeah, each trade exactly the same. We don't change anything. Dang, that's gonna be beautiful, man. I know a lot of the members ended up getting in with me too, so we'll have to see how that plays out. Alright, so Starbucks. Oh wow. Yeah, that looks good. That looks decent, actually. Hold on, let's go ahead and change this song really quickly. I'm gonna pull this back here. Yo, that guy, what's up? So what, SOFI too? Yeah, we can go over that too as well. So we'll go over Starbucks and then SOFI. So on this 1 hour, I will say, yeah, there is a decent move. That doesn't look bad. So we do have this clear gap down, no consolidation. This is what I would love to the upside. What I can see is, yeah, we do have this empty space here. So yeah, nice top all there, bottom all there. So we do have a nice area of consolidation that needs to be broken in order for us to target into this upside there. You see, yes. That looks really good. So yeah, right now we're still stuck in this box. Honestly, I may write this down just to see if we can get it. Even though, hold on, let's find my pen really quickly. All right, cool, found it. S-Bucks. Okay, cool. So yeah, that looks really decent. So yeah, what I'm seeing is we do have the empty space above us. That doesn't look bad. Obviously, right now, we are currently inside of this Potter box. So yes, I'm waiting for that break. So just like how we caught Tesla yesterday, how I called out the Qs yesterday. We wait for those breaks. We end up getting in, touching those TPs. And you can see how we call out plays, call out setups. You can see a couple other members, what they did just yesterday. So yeah, yesterday was a great day. This week has been amazing already. Especially if if we could stay up and continue, I think it's going to be even greater day for sure. Don't forget your charger and your water. Dude, honestly, yeah, I'll have to get that. So yeah, I'll get that in the next, what, 10 minutes. Alright, so SOFI, this is what I have here. So Starbucks looks decent. Wow, looks like Tesla may end up missing this one there. So yeah, there was that empty space there as well. Alright, so SOFI, I will say, I did this on a, what, 2-hour chart. So yeah, same thing here. Clear gap up, no consolidation. In other words, no green candles or no red candles interfering. As you can see, we do have a nice Potter box that needed to be broken. I will say we ended up breaking under it. So yeah, we ended up having a nice clear break and candle body closing under this wall. If we can continue, I do want to see this 2403 and then that 2334. But I will say, if we go back into seller or buyer's control here, we could potentially continue. So, got to be very careful on that. So that is on, let's see, SOFI. Actually, still looks really good. Alright, so that is on SOFI. We got to do, so we did SPY. AEO is still pushing, I believe. Okay, cool. Yeah, that looks really good. Yo, Robin, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. So, NVDA, yep. In the video, let's take a look there. Also, I do want to take a look at IWM too. So I do want to start fresh on pretty much everything here. Alright, so let's see. So yeah, let's go to this 4 hour. Maybe we could go down and look at a couple more trades too as well. All right, so what I can see here, yeah, I see two possible outcomes here. So just two possible outcomes. Hold on, let's see. 171, 173. So yes, ooh, yeah, this looks good. Yeah, Glock, it looks amazing. Maybe I'll keep an eye on this one too. So yeah, I see a couple good ones. NFLX. All right. So as of right now, what I'm seeing is this. We do have a nice POTTERBOX. So there's a nice POTTERBOX here that I will say. Looking to see if we can get this nice break above. So what? 2, 3 points of contact. That's what I'm seeing. We get a nice break above this wall here. I would like to see up to this 173. But yeah, give me a second. I do see the upside. I do see more upside, so just give me 1 second here. 1 second. So yeah, that looks good. I will definitely keep an eye on this one. If we can get it. Empty space. First TP would be that, let's see. $172.64. So that, yeah, that it looks good. Not bad at all. Maybe if I do end up trying this one and we end up hitting that final target, maybe I'll leave a couple runners to try to get this. So there's another gap there that I can easily see that looks great. Let's just say if I wanted to, let's say if I did end up missing this move here, which I don't plan on it. This is another box. So I do like this little gap there, but we get above this wall here, potentially go up to that 178. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. So that is on a 4-hour chart. That looks really good to me. Yo, Chris, what's up, bro? RIVN, and yeah, I got you, bro. So let's see, SOFI. So yeah, I think we just did that one, but yeah, no worries. So SOFI, hold on. So yeah, like I was saying about SOFI, still valid, still looks great. I do want to see, you know, if we can get this downside. For me, yes, we ended up breaking under this POTTERBOX here. Potentially do want to see if we can go into this empty space, which honestly looks really good. So, and for a little bit more confirmation, I do like that 2-hour. Honestly looking really good right now. So, see under that 24.45 area. So same thing, how we, you know, catch all the other trades. How, you know, a couple other members. See, this was yesterday. Thanks. Off of this, the QQQ play that we had. You can see the other members. Each trade is going to be the same. We don't change anything. You can see, I get it, you know, it seems like this is our normal, you know, for us. These types of trades. So yeah, this is what I'm aiming for. This is what I'm looking at. I don't care about anything else. I'm looking for these type of entries, these types of trades. So empty space, POTTERBOX, we break above or below, whatever the case is. That's what I'm looking for. You can see how I post setups inside of my Discord. And yeah, if they work out, they work out. If they don't work out, I'll stop out, find that reentry. Because once we can get something nice, this is what I'm looking for. You can see shout out to the members there. Not just him. You can shout out to Danny. Shout out to, you know, all the other members. This was just yesterday. So yeah, markets are looking very good. I'm liking how, you know, everything's moving. So do want to see how everything plays out. Ooh, SOFI getting that little push there. So yeah, if we can, you know, get that continuation, I like it. I like it a lot. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going here. Yo, Leah, what's up? Good morning, good to see you. So MU, Marvel, Tesla, OSCR, okay, and BE. Cool. If you get a chance, look at UPS 24-hour chart, I think over 90. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look there. All right, so 1 second. So we got to do NVIDIA, or we did that. Let's go over OSCR. I think it had a good move up too as well. So, and yeah, we'll go over that too. Hold on 1 second. So I'm gonna pull up all these chats, all these charts. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. So what? Hold on 1 second. So IBM. All right, cool. So OSCR, I will say this one. All right, so yeah, I think this morning's gonna be a great morning for sure. I will say, yeah, we ended up. So this one was playing around a lot. I will say. So we still have this empty space here. Clear move down, no consolidation. We did end up getting a nice break over it. I think this was Thursday of last week. Maybe some of the members are still holding, I'm not sure, but it did lead us to get another opportunity. So we did have a nice candle body closure above the swell here. And if we do end up taking this up, I would love to see if we can get that 19.10 and then that 20.98. So that's what I'm seeing. And no, not telling anyone to chase into anything, so please do your own research. Yeah, nice strong close outside of our level, our box. We ended up going up. So yeah, if we do end up continuing, I do like that 19.10. All right, so IWM, AEO doing pretty decent. So yeah, a lot of these trades looking good. BTDR, NASDAQ, SMR. Yeah, no worries. I can look at all these trades here, no worries. Yo, thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. Oh yeah, thanks for 4K likes. Appreciate that too as well. So yeah, Oscar Health looks really good. IBM, let's see. So, please work, mouse. All right, so IBM, I will be honest, let's go ahead and break this down, since that's a little bit irrelevant. 1 second. This is what I would do. Yes, I do see that little downside that, you know, looks decent. Maybe we could get that on a little 1 hour chart. The move that I like, that I would wait for sure, is this. So yeah, IBM has that empty space here. That doesn't look bad. You can easily see nice top all there, nice bottom all here. We somehow can get this nice break above. We do have this empty space above us. So that's what I'm seeing there. That's what I would wait for. I get it, yes, empty space down here. Maybe I could take that, but upside is a little bit of a bigger move. So that is on IBM. That's what I'm seeing. What do you use to what app do you use to trade? Oh, okay. So yeah, this right here. This is TradingView. So TradingView is how I go over all of my analysis. You can see this is how I post all my charts in my Discord. Tell the members just buy these charts by TradingView. But yeah, it's really up to you, the broker you use. You could use like Robinhood, TradeStation, Webull, things of that sort. So yeah, just really up to your liking. You just gotta, yeah, just do your own research for sure. All right, so now let's see UPS. Let's take a look there. We gotta go over a couple other ones. Yo, Trade Room, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Yeah, it's gonna be a great day, man. I can already tell. So yeah, today I'm looking forward just a few trades. See if we can get these. Wow, Oscar Health is moving up though as well. All right, so Amazon, let's take a look there. We didn't do IWM. I do want to see where Walmart is too. Ooh, Walmart having a little nice push up there. Nice. Okay. So yeah, I've already been in this one. So if we can get this continuation, I do like that. What? 137. That's if we can continue. So we'll have to see though. All right. So yeah, we'll keep on going. So Walmart's RIVN. Gotcha, Chris. AMZN. Ooh, Amazon looks good too. We'll go over this as well. Let's get rid of this. All right, so RIVN, let's take a look here. And I will be honest. We ended up hitting that those TPs to the upside. What I'm looking at now, I do like that 1 hour. Let's look at a lower time frame. Yo, Smiling Jay, thanks for the gifts. Really appreciate it. All right, yeah, got it. So I get it. Could we end up getting this continuation and continue skyrocketing? We actually could. I'm also seeing this. So just give me a second here. Top all there, bottom all here. What I'm looking at is if we get this nice break, we do have this empty space under us. So doesn't look too bad. So yeah, right now, as you can see, we're still inside of this Potter box. If we get a break down below, there is that empty space that looks good. So yes, same thing here. We break below this bottom wall here, we do have that empty space. So it pretty much works both ways. So obviously, you know, this week, very smooth, very clean trades. This is what I'm looking for, clean trades. So same thing with what? RIVN. Obviously, it's the opposite. Clear move up, we would love to take it to the downside. Obviously, we can have a clear move down, and we could love to take it to the upside. You can see also the other plays we end up catching. What one member did on that call out there. So yeah, it looks really good. So yeah, personally, yeah, I do like the downside if we can get it. Right now, I wouldn't chase into anything. And no, you all have to do your own research. Not telling anyone to get in any trades. But yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. All right, so that is on RIVN. BNC. So we got to do, I want to do Amazon too. I'm going to keep AEO up. I'm going to pull up one more chat here. BRK.B. Yep, cool, gotcha, bro. BRK.B. All right, cool, cool, cool. All right, so Amazon, I do want to go over this. This looks good, though. Hold on. One second. Actually, yeah, Amazon doesn't look too bad. So yeah, what I can see here is this. We do have this empty space that is clearly above us. Personally, I'm going to use... Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, that looks really good. So especially if we can get that 232 break. Looking for this nice candle body closing above this top wall. Sorry, I can't even speak right now. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So right now, where are we at? Currently, we are... Oh, looks like we are punching back through this top level here. But yeah, I do want to see if we get that nice 232 break. So yeah, that is this empty space here. So yeah, that looks really good. So that is on AMZN. Actually, doesn't look too bad. AMZN. Also, let me see where the Qs are really quickly. All right, QQQ looks really decent. Spy, we got to go over. Hold on one second here. Marvel. MRVL. Okay, okay. So yeah, we got to do IWM, BNC. Okay, okay. All right, so. Yo, Smiling Jay, thanks for the roses. Thanks for all the gifts. So IWM, let's take a look here. If it'll load, that would be great. All right, I will say there is a little upside. It's just a little bit more sloppy. I do want to see this bottom move though. You know, this is something that I still would wait for. This empty space, maybe, you know, for a swing, that would be great. To this downside. Entry, exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want, which is this empty space here. So yeah, as of right now, where are we at? Inside of consolidation. So I'm looking for a break outside of this consolidation area into this empty space. So that's what I'm seeing on that IWM play. That looks really good. All right, so UPS, personally, of course, empty space there. But let's just get rid of this. Let's go to maybe a 1 hour. Hold on, let's see. If it'll load, that'd be great. So yeah, each day in my Discord, same exact plays. We don't change anything. Okay, I got it. I like this 1 hour, I will say. What doesn't look bad is this. Clear move down, no consolidation. Get a nice break. We do have this empty space, which is currently above us. So yeah, as of right now, where are we at? Inside of this box, or maybe we're floating right above our top wall. So it doesn't look bad. I do want to see if we could potentially get that nice clear body candle closure outside this wall, outside this level. And yeah, I do want to see that empty space above us. So entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So yeah, as of right now, where are we at? We're inside of, we're trying to break outside of that consolidation. So it looks really good. All right, yes, 1 second, guys and gals. I will be back. I got to get my charger. Gonna get me some more water. You can see what we do inside the Discord. If you do want to join up, link is in the bio. You can join up. Honestly, join the free chat. See how you like it. If you don't want to join, no worries. I'll be on live pretty much every single day anyways. But yes, link in the bio for the Discord if you do plan on joining. All right, yeah, just keep a watch out for this for me. Let's make sure we just stay up. That would be great. So yeah, if we stay up, looks like it's going to be a nice little day. Yo, guys, I'm back. All right, so he said, look at Lulu while I get some ice. Dude, I just got some, too, in my flower cup, so. All right, so, yeah, let me plug this charger in as well, and then, yeah, we'll get started. So, 1 second here. Let me plug this in. 1 second. If it'll go, that'll be great. One second. It should. Okay, cool, perfect. He said we got 25 minutes, gotta make a move. Alright, yeah, we're gonna make some moves for sure. A lot of the moves have been made by the swing, so we'll see how everything plays out. Okay, so we did UPS, BRK.B. All right. Let's see. All right, so we'll take a look here. Yo, what's up? What's up? Do you use POTTERBOX empty space move? And if you do, is it profitable? Do you like it? So yeah, this is all that I use. Obviously my own analysis. And yeah, you can see I post all my setups. There's no need for me to lie. Obviously, I will be honest. Yeah, there's some times where I have to stop out of plays, which is perfectly normal and perfectly fine. But you can see once we do get those entries, this is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking at. Some of the members were working, so they were at work while making some trades from the callouts. So it's just more of just staying patient for me. And after I stay patient, you can also see a different member here. You can see in the testimonials. Said thanks. And yeah, I mean, it's really just up to your liking. I mean, you know, if you want to use ICT, if you want to use whatever, that's completely on you. For me, this is just what I've seen that works. And that's pretty much it. Can you use your trading money for cars? I mean, you can use your trading money for anything. For food, for, you know, it's really up to the person, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I did not mean to blind you guys. Hold on one second. Alright, that should be a little better. Yo, Roy, yeah, you're a little late, but you're good, you're good. So, at least you're here before open. Alright, so BRKB, this is... let's see. Okay, I do see something here, though. I will be completely honest. Maybe on this 4 hour, this is what I like. This is what I'm seeing here. Yo, Rise of China, thanks for the roses. I just wish this was a, you know, better Waldo. But yeah, as you can see, we do have this empty space there. We get this break under. First, I would love to see that 489. So yeah, that looks really good to me. Looks like, yeah, we're almost there, but not quite yet. So we shall see how that plays out. Hold on one second here. One second here. One second. One second here. Alright, cool. Oh, hold on one second here. I don't even know why that popped up there. One second. Let me get this off my screen really quickly, and then we'll look at other trades. Alright, so let's see. So yeah, BRKB does have that empty space below us. Personally, yeah, I'm not telling anyone to get into any positions, so yes, please do your own research. But yeah, I do want to see if we get that nice 497 break for this downside there. Alright, so Marvel, we did IWM. Wow, AEO is still going up as of right now. Alright, so yeah, let's take a look. Alright, so hold on one second here. My bad. I had to send a message to the Discord. So Marvel, I do like this 2 hour, 4 hour chart maybe. The 4 hour chart actually doesn't look bad. Possibly for some sort of swing. So yeah, we do have this empty space here. Clear move down, no consolidation there. And right above us, so yes, we did end up creating some nice empty space above us. And if we can break above our top wall there, I would be looking for this next resistance, which is up to that green candle. So, doesn't look terrible. Entry, exit, middle of the move was at 70.51. So, or 41, sorry. So yeah, I would need a nice clear break above. If we can, it looks good. If we can't, then we'll just have to see. All right, so that is on, let's see. You guys want to see Lulu as well? All right, yeah, we'll look at Lulu. Also, what, CRM, UNH. Hold on, let's see it. CRM too as well. All right, yeah, perfect. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, so yeah, UNH does look really good. Let's see. So I still like it. I will be honest. I still like this empty space to this downside. Yeah, Kova, what's up? So oh yeah, I'll pull that up for you too as well. What, CT, CNTA? Cool, perfect. Gotcha, gotcha. All right, so what I'm looking at here is we still have this empty space below us. I like it. I would love a swing on this to this downside. I get, yeah, there is another little box inside of this box. So little box there. We could also get a nice break under that 304 down into this. I get it, 302, nothing crazy. Still a little gap there. But the main move I like. Yeah, Guru. Yeah, it looks good, man. I do like that 298 push. If we break under that, yeah, I definitely would consider it for sure. All right, so that is on UNH, Lulu. All right, so, okay. So what, when is this, today? Hold on 1 second. Okay, so today after close. All right, cool, perfect. So yeah, we caught AEO. Wow, this keeps going, bro. Wow, this is going to be, it's going to be a crazy day for me and for the team members. And you can see, and yeah, we'll go over, I promise we'll go over it, but you can see where we were. So if this keeps going, we were at this 1362, now at this 1737. You can see we ended up posting this one. AEO can finish this upside, gave the contracts that I liked. You can see where we were. Yeah, this was literally just yesterday. Literally just yesterday. So if we end up staying up, we were at this 1362 where we were. Now, yeah, we are at this 1741. Wow, we're at the high of the day so far. So I guess you guys want me to look at Lulu now. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like there is still empty space above us. So yeah, we do have this, what, clear move down, no consolidation. I wish we were outside of the box, though. I love how we're above this cost base area. So I do want to see if we can hit that upside. So that's what I'm looking at there. Obviously downside, though, we could potentially see that 191, 93. But my reasoning for this one, this was on the weekly chart. We had the empty space here. We broke outside of our box. And I'll be honest, I didn't see it until the end of the day. So the last 30 minutes. And we were above our top wall, our top level there. And I was like, I told the members, I said, I may be crazy, but I think AEO finishes that. And then gave what I was looking for. We got it. Dang, that is still pushing. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Dang, that is... So what? How many minutes left? Like what? 16 minutes? Alright, so yeah, we'll keep on going. Alright, so Lulu... Okay, so yeah, we are above that 200 there. Alright, so CNTA, we'll go over this as well. So yeah, I feel like yeah, today's gonna be a great day. um. So yeah, it was like yeah. So in my Discord, we mainly swing trade. So the last 5 to 10 minutes is when we mainly get into our entries. You can see that ended up being crazy. So we were at that 1359 area. And yeah, I mean, I can't get too excited right now because it could end up, you know, going down if it wants to. But wow, yeah, it's going to be a crazy one. All right, so did I take AI? No, I did not take AI. I haven't even looked at AI's chart. I had a couple swings, nothing crazy though. But yeah, just focus on the, you know, higher quality setups. All right, so I will say 24-hour. I will be honest, I really don't like this chart here, but I will say, yeah, there is this empty space here, which honestly looks good. So there is that empty space that looks good. As you can see, top all, bottom all there. Maybe we get a nice break under. We could potentially go into this, red candle there. So that's what I'm seeing that, you know, doesn't look too bad. But yeah, it's gonna be a wild day today. I can already tell it's gonna be wild. So yeah, we'll have to see. And yes, let me turn this music back on. All right, so UNH, that looks really good. AEO still. AI, okay, great, cool. So yeah, I didn't take those, but so I don't know what it looks like, but yeah, we can take a look at it too. All right, so CRM, let's take a look here. Is this the earnings play or something? CRM, okay. All right, so I think, if I'm not mistaken, I had this on the weekly chart. Okay, yeah, same thing here. This is what I like. Looks good, right? What I can see is if we can get this continuation here, I need that weekly candle closure under this 230 area into this empty space. So, yes. Clear move up, no consolidation. We have this POTTERBOX there. I do want to see if we can get that nice 230 break. So, maybe on a Friday, if we can get that nice closure down, it looks good. That's what I'm seeing there. So AEO staying pretty nicely. Also, let's take a look. So let's... 1 second here. AI. Where's this other chart here? Tesla. Okay, cool. But yeah, I'll be honest. This is, hold on, give me a second. I think I had it here. So yeah, I'll. So give me 1 second. So these were the. Hold on, give me 1 second here. Give me 1 second. 1 second. So yeah, this was the AEO from yesterday. So I ended up recording myself getting into this play. Ended up getting up, but yeah, you'll see the video later. And then I think it took like 5 more minutes for us to actually hit that. Hold on, let's see. I got it like recorded and everything too. So yeah, we got into those little calls there. Hold on, let's see. There we go. So yeah, that's when it hit. So you can, so it hit, and then that's where we were on AEO. Obviously, I got to send that to my media guy so he can edit that. But yeah, that ended up going up. Obviously, I would love for it to stay up though. So if it could stay up, you could even see caught it with the team. So yeah, I caught it with the team members. Gave him what I was looking for. Just needs to stay up. So hopefully we can. So yeah, it's gonna be a decent day if it does. Yeah, Starbucks looks good too. All right. So AI. Let's see. So okay, I will say, yeah, there is empty space above us that I can see. But I can see, yeah, we didn't want to go into this empty space. We wanted to end up filling this downside there, which is fine. I would love to see if we can get this nice potential break to this upside to go into this empty space. So that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. All right, yo, Carlos, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So yeah, let's see how. I think today is gonna be a great day. All right, so Apple and Tesla. I'm thinking about streaming today. Wait, that was weird. Did you guys just see that? Anyways, all right, I will be honest. Dang, that little 45-minute move that I had that I wanted, we already kind of touched it. So, I will miss out on this one. Yeah, I get it. We ended up breaking outside the wall. We touched my TP perfectly. Yeah, I can't even make this up. So, yeah, this was a box that I wanted. You can go back to the live stream and look at it if you want. But, yeah, that's what I was looking for. Personally, I mean, I will be honest. There is a little bit of empty space here. That doesn't look bad. So, yeah, there is a little gap there. But it's not really anything that I would, you know, just go crazy on, go heavy on, just because it's a smaller move. What I can see is, yes, we do have another POTTERBOX there. We get that nice break. We could potentially go into that 350 area. So that's what I'm seeing there, which doesn't look bad. So that is on Tesla, which looks really good. Yo, what's up? Are you looking for sell or buy? Really just depends on the setup. But yeah, just remember, yeah, just do your own research before doing anything. So yeah, pretty much it. You remember me, bro, from last December? Jay. If you had the same profile picture, I probably remember you. It looks familiar. I'm a problem. Dude, fire, man. Keep up the great work, bro. So yeah, keep up the great work, man. Good to see you once again. All right, cool. So Tesla, that's what I went over. Apple, okay. Apple, I like it. I think on a lower time frame. So yeah, we do have this. Apple looks decent. As you can see, yes, we do have empty space that is under us. Do want to see that 235 being brought down there. So we'll have to see how that plays out. CRWV. Yo, Blanca, what's up? Yeah, no worries. So it looks like, hold on. Oh, wow. Okay. So I do like that upside there. I do see that there is a little bit of downside too as well. If I was going to take this on a 24-hour candle, I would like to see if we can get under the 88.93 area into this empty space. So yeah, that looks really good actually. Yeah, that not bad. So yeah, I do want to see if the end of day can get us under that, what, 88.93 area into this empty space. Y'all boys sapping with Discord, up 25K off the Discord. Not, yo, Jay, keep up the great work, man. Heck yeah, bro. So yeah, you know, we have the same place each day. Yo, Jake, what's up, man? Good to see you. So hopefully, if AE, oh my gosh, yeah, it's about to be a crazy day. Yeah, it's gonna be a crazy day, as long as we can stay up. Yeah, I have no doubt in my mind. Yeah, today is gonna be great. As you can see, yes, each play is the same, and it's not just me hitting. You can see all the other members as well. And doesn't look bad. What are we watching today? Honestly, I'm watching, you know, maybe Amazon. Probably the Qs too as well. But yeah, you can see what we look at, what we look for. If the trade works, You can see if it does. If it doesn't, that's fine as well. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. Thank you all so much for tuning back in to the live stream. Really appreciate it all so much. I will be, doing a lot of more work inside the Discord. So yes, if you do want to join, you can join the free chat or the VIP. Link is in the bio. If you don't want to join, no worries. You don't have to at all. But yes, I will be on live. I may do a face stream. My next live, we'll have to see how everything plays out though. But yeah, looking for another great day. See you either in the Discord or in my next live stream. Have a blessed one, guys. See you all soon in Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.